Hi friends, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK. In today's video actually I'm going to show you when it is not approved, so what edit and what not to edit, and what you have to delete and what not to delete. So in my previous video I've shown everything clearly, and after deleting, now you can see how many videos are left. So I show you the channel monetization section, which is showing before deleting any kind of video or any editing. So as you can see here, 4,334 watch hours, and requirement is for 4,000. So all four ticks, as you can see, they are green, and the date for that you can reapply is 9th of June 2022. Before that you cannot apply, or you have to have all required amount of the things are showing in as below. Now we just refresh the current one. After deleting the videos and all other stuff, just press refresh button, and now we scroll down. As you can see, after deleting couple of videos, the watch hour is gone. Now if I need to reapply, I have to have 4,000 watch hours again, and this is a challenge. How will you do in a short time of period when 9th of June you have to apply or reapply? So for me it was a big mistake, you can say, because I was not aware of. And how many videos I have seen, none of them they are showing clearly that once you will delete, the watch hours will be disappeared. So I deleted, I edited, and then when I just refreshed, so it is showing now 1,740 watch hours, which are not sufficient to reapply. And yeah, so I'm just letting you know what has happened to me, that you don't do such a mistake. So thank you very much for watching, and good luck.